Hi guys, welcome to Tactiim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to convert Outlook email to PDF with attachment. Okay, so let's go to the Outlook first. After going to Outlook, choose one email you want to make PDF, like this one star daily. Click on this specific mail, and you'll find here file option, which is top left corner. Click on this file option, and you'll find here save as Adobe PDF. You have to click on this, or you can click on save as also. If you want to save as also, you have to click on drop down menu and choose PDF. If you can't find PDF here, you have to cancel this, and then you have to choose this one, save as Adobe PDF. Click on this, and you have to select the destination where you want to download this PDF. Then you have to click on save. Now you can see the conversion progress. Your PDF has been downloaded. Now if you open this, you can see that start daily. Here's your PDF. Okay, or you can find here on uh, the storage location you have installed this one, like this. So here you can find the PDF and you can open this. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.